Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Hi, we're at the lake. Oh my gosh, this feels weird. I haven't vlogged at all. How do you feel about Vlogmas?
Can't wait. What an adventure. Love Christmas.
How cute are these? These are my favorite things in the world. Oh, we love. Anyway, this weekend we went on Mom's, or one of her Christmas presents, and got to meet Mary Kay Andrews. Mom's met her a million times. Also, look how gorgeous. Mom met her a million times. They're besties.
Love her.
It was so fun, actually. I've never been to a book signing before, I don't think. It was fun. Let's go. Hi guys. I feel like this is very controversial because it is. But whenever this first came out, I wanted it so bad. And I never bought it because it, you know, it's sold out like as soon as it was released. And then the cancellation and all that kind of stuff. So I bought this for myself to open when I finish my like screenplays that I have to turn in. But I'm gonna open it here and then I'm gonna wrap it up because I want to make sure it's not cracked or anything and I don't need to send it back. So anyway, I ordered it off of Amazon. Oh my gosh. Look at her! Look at her! Oh my gosh. Nope, she's perfect. Ah! Oh my gosh, okay, I've got to wrap it up. But, oh my gosh, yay, okay. She's going back in. But she's beautiful! Okay, no, please don't cancel me. Guys, I have to show you.
What? What?
I used one of my Italian cheeses I got at the cute little store. If you guys saw my second part of the Europe vlog, and made a little fettuccine like cream sauce out of it. Looks so good. Are we feeling in the Christmas spirit today? I mean the Thanksgiving spirit?
Hey.
Seems rather not. I'm gonna clean this up and show you guys around my little desk area, and yeah, time lapse begin. But this is what I call my little Christmas corner. It's got some things from the dollar section at Target. This is old. I gave it to one of my friends. Not sure how it ended back here, but I have a button from a bookstore I went to in Winter Park that says read, no, learn, go, repeat. And then these are all from the dollar section, including this. I think it was $5 or $3. All right, shout out to the remote, playing a main character role in the back. I got that clearly at Disney. I got that when I was in Austin at Alfred's. I just needed some encouragement. I was getting a little bit slumpy and discouraged, and I just needed a little push. So we have Walt Disney himself This is an old planner I had. It just has a lot of sort of like inspiring from a few years ago. I'm not sure what year that is, maybe 2019. Then this stays here at all times. I got this from, I'll put her link down below. I can't remember her name. Taylor King, if you guys watch her, has talked about her before. Her Etsy shop is so cute, but I accidentally dropped it and so the bottom fell out, which was no bueno. Then that's not water I'm drinking. Anyway, I have this little organizer. I really need a bigger desk, but she's working for now. My mom got me this little gold thing and this gold paper tray at Dollar General. Super cute. I have like random stuff in here. I am editing my like second or third draft, so I keep my original beat boxes from my screenplay here and go back to get context, inspiration, like whatever. And then I have some letters down below and just literally random papers. I have this, like I said, now it's been like a month ago. I needed a little bit more inspo, so I created this little mini vision board. It's got a lot of cool things on it. This is the SCAD Film Festival. There's some quotes that I put on. This is the director, Grace, of Lady Bird. I love her. Emmy. There's just like a set down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just some palm trees. And yeah, sometimes I need a reminder that I need to get up and dance all my anxieties out. I didn't see you guys there. Just kidding. Let's fix this. There we go. Okay, so I have this book. I'm trying to get back into reading. I've been wanting to read this book forever. Because I'm a big believer in like food can really help heal a lot of things in our body. And I got recommended this book a very long time ago. 2019 feels like it was yesterday and also like a lifetime ago. But that's when this book came out. So I'm excited to read some of it. Learn more. I'm also reading James Patterson by James Patterson. It is really, really good. If you don't know James Patterson, he's a very, very successful novelist. And he's an amazing storyteller. And so I was excited to read this. My mom actually picked it out for me. And I was like, oh, okay, I guess I might read it. And I read like 80 or 100 pages within the first hour. I had it on Friday. On Friday. What day even was that? Monday. So anyway, I'm gonna take you guys around. Hi queens. Oh my gosh, look, a rare appearance. I'm wearing something other than a 3X shirt, and I have makeup on, like eyeshadow and everything. Sam's here, she's driving. We're headed to Jacksonville. It's Black Friday, except for it's 12:30 p.m. Also, oh my god. I got eyeshadow in my eye and it's still kind of in there, so that's fucking fresh. Anyway, looking like Miss Barbie herself. We'll update you. Spirits are high. Spirits are very high. We've made it to Sam's. Look how glowy I am. Sam's over here ruining her Christmas present.
Hey.
Yeah, that is cute. Guys, we're going to the best place in the world. No, we're not. Oh my god. Are we waiting in line? Yeah.
Banana, strawberry.
Sorry guys, I haven't vlogged literally all day, but we're at Maggiano's for the first time ever in our life before.
Not really.
We're doing a little
feels
unboxing.
Cheap. Very cheap. Don't buy this.
Don't buy the Sephora box.
Don't recommend.
Anyway, I'll show you guys my food when it gets here. We love a little Italian moment. Anyway, okay. I literally can't show you anything about today except for like 2 things. Actually, I'll show you.
Yeah, I got a couple.
It smells good. This one feels a little more quality.
This is so cute.
Is this Coco Ball?
Yeah, it's giving Mary Lewis.
It is giving kind of L'Oreal.
This is so cute. It's a London candle and it smells like peppermint and it's so cute. I also got the like viral Anthropologie like juice glass. Well, I don't want to get to the weekend so you guys won't see this, but it was on sale for like $9. I should have gotten 2. There were only 3 left in the store.
Why did you get 2?
I know, I should have. Anyway, okay, baked beans. Baked beans.
Toodaloo.
Beans, cheese, Jesus Christ. She is gorgeous. How's your first experience so far?
I've only been here once. 10 out of 10.
This is your first time here?
Huh?
This is your first time here?
Absolutely.
We had one gentleman who had won the lottery. And this summer, Rush invited us to come along. We departed from St.
Good morning. We're watching Sunday morning. Self-tan check. Shower check. Fresh air check. Coffee check. Look how cute this freaking sweatshirt is. I got this at Sam's Club from the vlog, if you guys saw. And that's pretty much it. That's just what I wanted to show you. But hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and more VLOGMAS videos coming. Mwah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells